Welcome to the Rock Your Class Math Minute, brought to you by me, your host, Etienne, with ideas and strategies taken from and inspired by the #1 best-selling book, Rock Your Class. Get ready for today's Math Minute topic.
Hypothesis.
What does the dictionary say?
A proposition, or set of propositions, set forth as an explanation for the occurrence of some specified group of phenomena, either asserted merely as a provisional conjecture to guide investigation, working hypothesis, or accepted as highly probable in.
Math rap.
A hypothesis. You must check, sir. Without proper testing, it's just conjecture. To get a hypothesis really moving, you'll get a solid theory when the hypothesis is proven.
Math rap.
What do you call a hippopotamus with a hypothesis? A hypopothesist. Explain hypothesis in your own words. Tip: never state a hypothesis as a question. Make it a statement of belief that you're seeking to prove to be true. Create a hypothesis about how this calendar year will end for you. How many of the factors do you control related to your predicted outcome? Why? Now it's your turn for some inspection and reflection. You can rewind, rewatch, and pause any part of today's Math Minute. Complete the activity tool, then share your ideas with a partner, in a small group, or with the entire class. Enjoy exploring and discussing today's Rock Your Class Math Minute. May all your math minutes rock!